Did you know that professional photography and video can make the difference between your home sitting on the market and selling quickly? Here's why it matters. Today, most buyers start their home search online, and high quality visuals are the first impression they get of your property. Professional photos highlight your home's best features, whether it's a spacious kitchen, natural light, or stunning curb appeal. Well composed, bright, and clear images grab attention and make your buyers want to schedule a showing. But let's take it a step further. Videos and virtual tours allow buyers to experience the flow of your home, giving them a sense of the space without even stepping inside. And for out-of-town buyers or buyers with busy schedules, this can be a game changer. In addition, drone photography is also becoming increasingly popular, especially for homes with large lots or unique features. It provides a bird's eye view and sets your listing apart. When you list with me, I'll invest in top-notch professional photography and video to showcase your home at its absolute best. Let's work together and make your home shine and attract the right buyers. Give me a call today at 919-740-0379. Have a great weekend and stay warm.